Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Hmm. आपका giveaway मेरे को ही giveaway करो. So what day is today? Thursday. Let's go. So what we had yesterday? Beautiful dump. A big opening gap. We set a low and then look at this low resistance liquidity up here. That's beautiful. We expecting a good push higher. As you can see, we also have this one stage coming in here. One stage in Nasdaq. Stage here. अरे किसका आवाज आ रहा है बैकग्राउंड आवाज आ रहा है क्या हाँ आपका यार है yes sir so we can have a like we have a good chance of getting bullish entries today. We took this high. Yeah, we took this high. Now we might become a little bit slower there and give us a retracement and then push higher. Now ES has a good low resistance liquidity. I would be more happy to take in ES than NQ. NQ have this displacement. NQ have this displacement. If you see, look at this displacement. This displacement can just make NQ a little bit weaker, push higher. So I'll be looking for more. I'll be more interested in ES than NQ. I'd say like, I need this inversion to confirm that we are shifting to bullish here. It's classic um, delayed protraction, I would say, because the low is has been set during the 6 a.m. candle. So 6 a.m. setting the low and 10 a.m. continuing towards these highs. We don't know if we are going to take entire low resistance liquidity by today, but expecting a higher push in both the assets. The gold and silver daily looks kind of not good to me in a range daily time frame. If you look at it, we are just closing inside of this range. Not sure if you're gonna push lower or no. What at this. So if this if this 4 hour gives us a closure below this candle, then we might think of pushing lower to these lows, or else we can look for just buys from here because as we also having this SMT here. So if this SMT supports, so if we'll be getting this C2, then we can look for 15-minute change state of delivery and then push higher from here. But we need the current 4 hour candle to be closing C2 to push it more higher. So coming to the oil, oil took that low already, and we are still pushing lower. Have these low after this, and these relative colors which has been already taken in harbor oil. What about crude oil? I think crude oil also cleared these lows. So yeah, eventually the only lows left are these. I don't know. Like there's no point where it can reverse from because of look at the fall there. That's a huge fall. I don't expect a reversal from here. And we also have this continuation one stage. So I think we might get a good push in oil as well. Sure. So this is our 6 p.m. open, 6 p.m. open, which is our daily open. We came back and tapped, and we are just flushing from it. If we get this change in state of delivery in 1 hour, then we can look for 5 minute, 5 minute change in the state of delivery, and then confirm the 1 hour candle, and then push lower. 1 hour candle is nothing but a just 10 a.m. candle, and then push lower. We still do have another 15, another 20 minutes to see what's gonna happen. But let's see. Let's see. That's our plan for today's on all the assets. Hello, bro. Hello. Welcome to the stream. It looks better than yesterday. Yeah, yeah. Because of FOMC, 3 days, it was trash. Like back to back 3 days, it was just trash because of pre FOMC sessions, I would say. But now it's better. Now it's better. We have a clean highs up there. We have a clean, uh, what do you say, low resistance liquidity for our NQ. NQ, 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 NQ. I planned that NQ. You are late for the party, bro. Like, see, what I was looking for, what I was looking in ES was this is my invalidation point here for shorts. So if I get an inversion of this fair value gap, I might think of trading higher to these highs. Okay. Even in NQ, I have a bullish bias, but NQ will be a weaker for me today because of this displacement. This displacement will not let NQ push higher as ES would. So let's see what's gonna happen here. If we get a strength switch, then NQ is a better option to go, or else I'm gonna stick with ES. And if I want to go bearish in ES, I need these. Uh, 30 open. So if I want to, like, I don't see any bearishness to go from here because we are in this range. So we need a displacement out of this range. I would consider this as a manipulation. Okay. Then I would consider this as a manipulation, forming SMT with these highs, forming SMT with these highs. Okay, something like this. And I can trade lower to these lows. But for me to look lower, I need a clean displacement out of this range, or else I'll be staying bullish in ES and NQ for the assets. See here, this low is staying protected still because this is a SMT what we got in ES. So let's see. If you get a stun switch in NQ, then NQ is good to go. What do you guys think? Yeah, a fractal model, fractal and GXT kind of, because I only trade 10 a.m. Actually, GXT is all framed, like all created on a fractal, on top of fractal, I would say. So there's not much difference, I think, when it comes to GXT and fractal model. Both are like kind of similar. Let it push lower. I don't care because I want this out of this range. Basically, if even if you look at a 30-minute or 90-minute time frame, you'd see a range here, which I don't like at all. So let it do its thing. As I expected, we cleared this high and we are getting a pullback, whatever you can say, pullback or a just reversal from there, from that swing point. But we need a more confluence to short it from here. This is not enough. अरे तू अरे भाई एंट्री तो तेरे को तेरा लिमिट गलत जगह पे है मैं बोलूँगा। हाँ, वो होता है एक बार पेपर पे ऐसा होता है वो। अभी मेरे को शॉर्ट्स का उतना कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिला है भाई, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। 5 मिनट में देख सकता है तू कुछ, अगर वहाँ पे तेरे को क्लियर दिखेगा। But a 5 minute in ES, this looks clean. I'm not checking in my accounts. I'm just trying to see if it plays. So I want NQ this candle to flip higher. That would be so nice. I want this 15 minute to flip. I want this like 4 hour to flip higher, or at least this oh, 15 minute to close bullish here. But we still do have another 12 minutes, so I don't think so. We are gonna close bullish. Shit. The London low has been taken already. Both assets. Not yet. We still do have a loss in NQ. Let's wait, guys. Got up there. Let's let it do its thing. I'm not in that trade. I'm just watching how it plays out. So mid closure are expected. Oh, NQ to turn out. But hardly looks kind of good to me. First and switch. We need this 5 minute closure. Both. What do you guys think? The London low should be clear first. ENQ. Let's see. So how are you doing? Nice, bro. What about you? I'm not in trade yet. I'm just looking for a trade. 10 a.m. We'll wait. Give me a second, guys. Yep, we are getting a good push from that 5 minute fair value gap in S&P. We have these relative equal lows down here, though. This should get clear. वो हरप्रीत वाला करता है वैसा करो क्या? 10 a.m. open, guys. 10 a.m. open. Let's see what's we are gonna get here. Gold looks kind of will go bearish on gold. We also have this SMT down here, so can't say anything on gold. But looking at the oil, I'm sure we are gonna get a good push lower because we have this 1 hour of change in state of delivery, and I'm expecting this 5 minute to give us a push till this 5 minute fair value gap, which will be the premium of this leg, and also the 1 hour change in state of delivery. And then if I get anything like tap here and then change in state of delivery or inversion, I would look for bearish from here in oil. Oil looks clean to me, but if I'll be having any confusion in S&P and Nasdaq here, then I'll be going with oil today because oil looks a bit cleaner to me. But I should get a reaction off of this premium zone to the downside, or else I'm not gonna look for anything here. As ES and NQ are just I think they are just ranging right now. ES looks like it might push lower, but NQ turned out strong, bit stronger here than ES. How can you say that? That's because of Austrian switch. So where do we have Austrian switch? You might this NQ and ES having this SMT down here, but I don't know. Like if NQ takes this low, then that should be a bearish for us to look for these lows, these relative equal lows, and further London lows. But NQ looks like it's going to push higher. getting this inversion, but can't rely on that inversion alone. So we need more confirmation here. We might also be just setting the 10 a.m. high as well, so can't decide anything on right now. We need more confirmation. We, I was expecting at least these highs to be taken in RB, but even RB is not supporting oil to push lower. Let's see if RB or HO takes any of these highs, then we can look for oil lower, forming the Kraken correlation with oil. Or else, if oil wants to push to the premium, then even that's fine. We can look for push to premium. In 5 minutes, we have the fair value gap. If 5 minute fair value gap holds, and if we get a 3 minute change instead of delivery anywhere lower side, then we can look for shorts here in oil. So this is a plan. So let's have a small alert here. Expecting it to push. What's yeah, NQ, we have our inversion here. So look at this, guys. Delayed protraction might turn out and push higher here, but it will take a little bit of more time with ES. But NQ looks a bit stronger to these highs. But I'm really concerned about this week. I don't like this week. Yes. बताओ, मेरे को लग रहा है तो आप ऐसे ही कर रहे हो. स्क्रीन. अरे अरे, स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है क्या? रुको रुको. Let it do its thing. Yeah, we'll turn out bullish here in ES and NQ. This was the reason why I don't short right away before 10 a.m. Like, yeah, look at the week now. What I was looking at 3 minute maybe. No, I was looking at 15 minute. No, bro. What time frame I was looking at from that week? 1 hour. Okay. Let's see if this week holds or it will, rip out of that range. Oil is kind of looking good to the bearish side. But I really wanted this high to be taken in any of these assets. Let's check HO if that's taken now. Really wanted to try this short, but I don't know if I don't know if I'll miss it or I'll take it. But if this lows get cleared, then don't look for it. No, this got cleared. There's no change in state of delivery yet. This was kind of miss. We are gonna miss kind of trade. We can try it in this 1 minute favor gap if we get any favor gap here. Let's see what's NQ doing. NQ is just shopping around from this 50% of this previous week in hourly. Again, we are coming back. We are coming back in oil. Let's see if we get a tap on this and market gives us a change in state of delivery. What about NQ and ES? Bro, ES is shoot, bro. Look at the ES 1 hour time frame. Really don't like indices. What the fuck? शॉर्ट्स भी तो मतलब शॉर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स वालों का भी तो गांड मार रहा है ना मार्केट. I don't think so it's gonna get, but let's see. Oil is looking so far good so far, but we need a pullback or I think कुछ नहीं है. But we are delivering from this favorable gap in HO, so Just looking at it, I'm not in that trade. Should push higher now. I don't want it to see pushing lower directly without giving us a higher time frame period tap there or any kind of retracement higher. Yeah. What is yeah, ES NQ is just chopping around from that consequent encroachment. If you can, you guys can see that. They like even though we can try this shot, but it's kind of confusing. It's against our direction, so I am not going to touch. Yeah, yeah, I'm not going to touch it. No, we have London lows remaining down there, but we are just still in range for me personally. Look at this range, high range low, entire blue box, whatever you are seeing, that's some kind of range for me. So yeah, new 15 minute 10:15 is open. Now let's see if we can trade this 15-minute candle. We really need to push higher to this red line at least, or to this upper wick of this candle, which is eventually a fair value gap. That gives us a tap. Yeah, yeah, we formed a wick there. Now we should get a push lower. Yeah, now this is looking good. So if we get a inversion of this 3 minute, then I'll be looking for flush from this premium level. Whereas I'm okay with shorting from here. 2R, 4, 8, 7. Yeah, I'm gonna go sell with 7 here. Yeah, I mean, मुश्किल ही गया था एक ही टिक से, but see, we got a change in the state of delivery. So, so now it's added a more confidence to my trade, I would say. Let's see if this should push lower. Indices are really choppy, guys, today. So this was the only asset I would have uh, looking for. I'm not much confident on indices at all. 7. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, -1 is very low, I think. If you consider wicks, then it will be very low. Or if you like, let's go through the bodies. Let's go to the bodies. Let's be safe as soon as possible. HO is turning bearish as well. I think they should support bearish movement. It's no point of turning from here, bro. Look at the 3 minute closure. Even 3 minute closure is extremely bearish. So I think we are good. And even 2 minute, we got a good change in state of delivery and a tap from 2 minute, and even 1 minute V-shaped recovery. Uh, Good closure there as well. I don't want to see it reversing from here. I don't know if US rate pumping higher. And we also have this 5 minute change in setup. Everything is aligning here. I don't know why it's just kind of reversing out of nowhere. Whatever, bro. Let's stop out. Let's stop out. I don't care. It was a good setup for me, so I don't mind taking loss on this. This small fair value gap here. Should reverse or flush? Either flush or reverse from at this point. Yeah, so close to my SL there. So close, so close, so close. Watch another minute for 5 minute closure. If this candle flips, then we can flush lower. NQ. Okay, for NQ is pushing higher. Let's focus on the trade which we are in right now, not for NQ. So we got that inversion. Hopefully we should push lower now. I don't know. We also have this small volume imbalance here, so not sure until we inverse this as well. Exactly. Exactly, bro. Hey, take me out. Yeah. We didn't even got a tap to this volume imbalance and we are reversing from there. Not good, not good. What a fucking job, bro. I think a new 5 minute opened here. Yeah, new 5 minute opened. Bro, that was shit. But I'm not still sure. I need a little more confirmation on that. 2 1 3 minute closed, kind of okay, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Like 2 minute is kind of choppy. 1 minute is also a choppy. We literally came back to the break even and then we had this close in a single candle. We also have had this inversion as well. Looks like we should be pushing lower here. But this volume imbalance should get inversed. That's what I'm looking for right now. Volume imbalance. Come on. Give us this inversion. This small gap here. Where is this inversion? that red line. Let's make it green. Green line, red light, green light. Come on. Give us a push. Go up the range. Give us a push. Bro, hell no, bro. 5 minute is looking shit. Even though 3 minute had a good closure, but I don't know. Like, I don't have confidence on 5 minute. Current 3 minute should flip. Current 3 minute should flip. That would be a best case scenario for us. Another 30 seconds. Shit, bro. Like, in 30 seconds, everything is looking like it's gonna change. Your 15 minute open, your 30 minute open, and 15 minute as well. We clear out these highs and then push lower. We will take it out and then if this reverses at this point, then we are the luckiest. Not expecting it to reverse, but I don't know. Got stopped out there. That's a good trade, I would say. But indices, indices, indices pushed a lot higher and then turned out bearish here. This, I think, this is because of uh, this rejection block and the chop. Uh, I'm still bullish on Nasdaq, to be honest. If we inverse this, first we have these lows and even the London lows, and we have this change in state of sorry, inversion in ES and this low resistance liquidity. So probably we'll push lower in ES. The mistake in our oil trade was we didn't wait for a for it to return to the premium. That's a mistake, I think. We were deep down in discount and we tried to short discount without any crack and correlation, nothing. That's bad. Hashtag 3 minute tap. Just change the state of delivery. We are having this two stage here. So see, but this fair value gap might hold the price and push lower as well. We need the this whole inversion to look for bullish or, or change in the state of delivery here to look for bearish because we do have these lows and the London lows as well down there. So what is 15 minutes? Another 8 minutes. We do have this. We may closure in another 8 minutes. It was a good entry. This was a good entry to rounds. But no confidence because of this 3 minute fair value gap. We had this one conference two stage. Look at this candle, two stage here. 69. So if we inverse this, one of models and 2R. Oh, This is a bit of a little bit more there, even by one of like even a 1 micros, but I don't know, let's I have to adjust it accordingly. I can't market execute it. I hopefully it will come back and give me a tap. Yeah, hopefully it should come back and give me a tap. I can't market execute it because of my risk management. Adjust it to 150. Let's see if it will come back and give me a tap. It should. It should. Oh, come on, bro. I don't know. I think I'm gonna miss it, but let's see. Max loss for the day, how much, sir? Uh, 300. I risk 150 per day, so I take two trades, and 300 will be the maximum loss I'll be going per day. Oh shit. We need that. We don't need just this. Thinking. Let's see. Okay, we got that tab. The 1 micro. Let's see. Let's see. If we come back and hit a stop loss, then that's a chop. I'm gonna end my day there. Anyway, I'm not gonna trade further because that's my risk there. You should push higher. 'm not gonna touch it, bro. Whatever it does. 3 minute failure gap, 3 minute inversion looks like a perfect setup to me. But let's see. Guys, once we clear this high, I'm gonna go break even there. Yeah, we for a version. This is cool, and the 15-minute looks good because of the smaller wick there. But the standard deviation, this is just a one minus one level here, just a minus one there. So this will be my two 2 hour trade. Let me just mark it out there, and this will be a minus one level. Yeah, if I reach this high, I'm gonna be break even. We took that high in ES, so just to be safe, okay, we clear that high in NQ as well. So we are break even here, guys. Make sure to go break even there. Or I'll be a break even home. 762 is a minus one of standard deviation level, but 745 is where I'm looking at least the market to reach. It's like a good 15-minute expansion. If you look at the 15-minute, look at this. We are exactly at the nearly opening price, and we are getting a good push higher. Another 1 minute for this 5 minute closure. Let's see. Another 26 seconds for 5 minute closure. Expecting it a body close up above this high. That would be so nice. 30, 2, 1. Kind of, that's a good closure, you can say. We also have this change in the state of delivery in 5 minutes. Should get a retracement and then push higher from here. That's what I'm expecting. So I have this 3 minute change in state of delivery. We'll get a tap on that 5 minute maybe, and then push from there. And they'll be probably forming this 3 minute gap now. Then we can expect something like gap and tap and then push higher. Okay, tap in a gap. Then we should be pushing higher from here. This is a point where the market will show its real color, like a real thing what it's gonna do after such a good expansion. If it's again comes back in range, that's a total shit day for us. But at this point, we are at a risk free, so no need to worry about anything. Let's just hold it. Even 5 minutes looks good. Did we even come and reach 1 hour? So I kind of. We are not a 1 hour guys, bro. We'll hold it for 2 hour or break even. Why you bullish, bro? That 4 hour C2. Look at the S&P. You'll understand why we are bullish. We also had this, if you look at it carefully, in 15 minute, we had this two stage, and we also have this 3 minute inversion. So I'm bullish for at least at this point till these highs. So once this high is reached, I'm safe right now. So actually, looking at the overall, for me, it's kind of non-tradable, whatever shit is going on. But I was safe. I was looking forward to, be safe as soon as possible. So we are here. So if it comes back, gives a closure below this fair value gap, and then, continues lower, then we are just chopping around. We are just, moving in a range, I would say. Let's hope for a push higher from here. 15 minute was supporting a good expansion till the external high, and we did get that. We came deep down instead of this 5 minute changes rate of delivery, and we also tapped to this order block in 5 minute. Let's see. This 3 minute should hold and push higher now. This is the last line of sand. Bro, what a shit, bro. कितना गंदा कर दिया उन्हें चार्ट. Let's keep it clean. Clean, 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 clean. Now this 1 minute gap here. This is making it a little bit problem to push higher. But it should push higher. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, my gray skin is flying, bro. Shoot. Give me a second. The NQ is acting bitch, bro. Shit. हम्म। मेरे को भी वही लग रहा है. Let's see if this works. Come on. कितने माइक्रो से नो आप? 3. ठीक है तो एक ही से नो. तो 25K. गरीब लोग. We have this 1 hour inversion. Now there is no point of it, reversing from that inversion, bro. It should push higher. Come on, bitch. चला गया है शायद से. एनक्यू है. एनक्यू है, कुछ भी कर सकता है. अभी देखो. एनक्यू. एनक्यू dick is bigger than anyone else. ये लो. New 15-minute open. Sorry, 30-minute open and 15-minute as well. But if it flips here, it will just fly to the moon. If it just comes back in range, then we fucked up, bro. We are getting stopped out and break even. Yeah, but 3 minute should flip actually. 3 minutes should flip and give us this change in state of delivery, which it's not giving right now, like in previous two candles. Send it to the moon. Send it to the moon, sir. Send. Oh, not. This is not a moon. Fuck. Fuck, bro. Where is that moon? Send it to the moon. Come on. Come on, thank you, please. मून है ये, लड्डू नहीं है। लड्डू नहीं है भाई, मून है। Looks like laddu. Let's put on a moon. Where is that moon? मेरे ढूंढते ढूंढते भैंचो, ये सेल ना निकाल दे मेरा। Let's go NQ, let's go pitch. Come on. Nah, bro, this is not looking good. We are left with another 12 seconds, and the 3 minute is not yet flipped at all. We do have that SMT with YM, but I don't know, like, we got that change in state of delivery, bro. Only thing which can hold is this 3 minute fair value gap. What a chop. What a chop, motherfucking day. ट्रम्प की वहां की चूत, उसी का किया हुआ है ये सब। देखो ट्रम्प का गाली देते, ट्रम्प का ऐसे ही गाली दोगे ना तो मार्केट ऊपर चल जाएगा। सच बता रहा हूँ। ट्रम्प यू मदर, सी। Someone is putting money against Trump. Yeah, bro. कहाँ का, कहाँ का लग, रुको तो अभी चॉप ही कर रहा है मार्केट है। अभी 2 मिनट बचा है 3 मिनट क्लोजर के लिए, कभी भी चूतिया आप कर सकता है। लक बता रहे हो राहुल भैया, लक बोल रहे हो, एक लॉस खा के बैठा हूँ भैंचो। लक बोलते हो इसको। वो भी तो ठीक ही था ट्रेड, इफ यू आस्क मी। अरे गिव अस पुश ब्रो, कम ऑन, वी नीड दिस 30 minute flip. एंट्री कहाँ पे मिला आपको? अरे मेरा वहां पे ब्रेक ही बना है। ठीक है, ओपनिंग प्राइस के अराउंड क्लोज हुआ अभी। How we should give displacement to the upside from here. That's the only way we are getting out of this. That's the only way we are getting out of this, or else we are just coming in again. नहीं भैया, the way it is pumping, it should it should just rip off to those highs, you know, like this. ट्रम्प के माँ की चूत, अभी देखो, अभी देखो ट्रम्प के माँ की चूत, अभी देखो, 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 देखो। Someone is putting against ट्रम्प की माँ की लाइव स्ट्रीम में बैठ के अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट को गाली दे रहे। अरे किसी को कुछ लोड़ा क्या भी करने क्या ही करने वाला है। कल देसी बैठ के गांड मार रहा है। देसी बैठ के सीधा गाली दे रहा है ट्रम्प को। आई डोंट फकिंग केयर बोलता है। सॉरी ब्रदर, विच ओवरले कैंडल आर यू यूजिंग दिस? लाइक I didn't get what overlay. This one? Oh, indicator. This is something I got from some of the subscriber. Let me just post it here. Let me just post it here. Just give me a second. Fucked up the whole market. Yes, bro. Exactly. Whole market is. हाँ, ये दूसरा मिला है मेरे को एक्चुअली। वो वाला यूज कर रहा था फिलहाल के लिए तो। Had this 1 minute inversion. Fuck it, bro. I want to just remove it. We need rip out of this high. Another 30 seconds. We need a closure bullish on this 3 minute, which is hopefully we are about to get another 15 seconds. Looking good. Good. Send it to the moon, baby. Uh, yeah. Let me share the indicator, bro. Give me a second. Where is that? 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 Mm, I'll just pin it in my Discord as well. You guys can join. So today only I'm gonna share it in here on live chat. If you want it, you can come grab it from Discord. Yeah, get it from there. Pin it. I pinned a message. That's the link. You guys can get it from there. का सेम रिस्क रहा है राहुल भैया पीछे, मतलब पिछला ट्रेड और ये वाला ट्रेड? ओ, staying in the game. Mm-hmm. Yes, should turn. Yankee is obviously turning. Yes, should turn. First minute lower, second minute should flip, and then rest of the candle will obviously pump higher. How is 1 minute looking? 1 minute looking kind of good, but we are just in a bit range, I would say, still in 1 minute. If this 3 minute flips, then we are good to push higher. Yeah. Looks like we are good now. We should push higher. 16. How much am I getting on that high? Uh, yeah, that's cool. 762. It's because this is -1 level, no, of this standard deviation. Let me मतलब -2 आर तो इधर ही हो जाएगा नीचे की तरफ। ये वाला लाइन मेरा लाइक टारगेट है। आई विल बी टाइट ट्रेलिंग हियर 745, जस्ट नो 2 to 3 points फ्रॉम देयर। या इसको होल्ड करना है, वही चीज, वही थोड़ा हेक्टिक काम है लग रहा है। लग रहा है। मेरे को भी वही लग रहा है। अरे भाई ऐसा मत बोलो। अभी एनकी और ईएस के साथ एसएमटी हो गया है एक। दिस शुड होल्ड। चॉप हो सकता है लेकिन आई डोंट वांट इट टू रिवर्स। चॉप ठीक है, चॉप हो जाए कितना भी, हम सह लेंगे। भेजो, बस यहाँ से रिवर्स ना हो जाए भाई। रील्स देखना चालू कर दिए क्या आप? अरे राहुल भैया, अगर आप मार्केट नहीं देखोगे तो वो माँ छूट जाएगी मार्केट का। I don't know what's gonna happen now, bro. But prediction, 5 minute range, 3 minute coming back in range, 2 minute, 1 minute in range. Shit, fuck market, bro. Uh, only chance we had is to take that 1 to 1 or else nothing else in here. I guess I'll be happy to take it out at break even. It's gonna happen, bro. I don't know. Yeah. It's fucking too much thing. Okay. I don't know. I'm getting stopped out here. Or we're gonna push higher. You know, it's buddy. Okay. Okay. There we go. Swap this low though. And that's a range low. Exactly there. I'll be more happy to see it break even in such a market condition that's acceptable, I would say. But I know 1 minute displacement and then we are coming back in back down again. Expected. We push lower on that. वही तो मेरे को भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा. वो it's not even taking a break even or not even pushing higher. What, bro? It's literally edge of break even 2 times now. It's NQ is just trolling with us. It will take now. Next candle for sure. What's 3 minute doing? Let me just check 3 minute. Another 31 seconds. 31 seconds will decide whether it's gonna take or not. Like most probably 99% is gonna take our break even. If there is 1% luck, it'll just push higher. And I don't trust much on luck, but let's see. Warmer, it looks like we are getting that change in the state of delivery after sweeping that low of range. Low of range, change in state of delivery. Uh, ऐसे कंडीशन में चेंज इन स्टेट मैटर भी नहीं करता. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Just adding a little bit confidence is there. 5 minute flipping. 3 minute looks scary to me actually. 3 minute looks scary. If 3 minute flips, then that's good. दिखा तो. अरे भाई इतना क्लोजली एज कर रहा है ना, इतना मतलब जो मतलब इट्स लिटरली ट्रोलिंग विद अस टुडे. एनक्यू इज ट्रोलिंग विद अस. और अभी भी ये नीचे आ सकता है, अभी भी नीचे आ सकता है. 3 मिनट देख के मेरे को उतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा एक्चुअली. Even 5 minute, the only thing is the 15 minute. But whatever, I'm not gonna mark or not gonna do anything. Let this fucking do its thing. If it wants to take me out, and let it take us out. शिट ब्रो, ऐसे चॉप में तो रहने से अच्छा है कि ब्रेक इवन हट जाओ। हाँ, हाँ, 1-1 हुआ था ना। Oh, there. Now we should get a flush there. Yes, he got out. Thank God. Thank God. Even I will say thank God. Taken us out at break even. What's the time? 11:30 almost. In another 1 minute. Tomorrow is bank holiday, I guess. Yeah. Chop. Oil is just chopping, guys. It reached our level now after everything, after all this shit. Yes, we will. किसमें? अरे माँ की चूत। Yes, 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 to take. Fuck. Fuck, bro. Just to take and market wants to reverse from there. Cut this inversion. Con. Okay, fine. हम्म, समझ गया. There is low resistance up here. Mm. Shit, bro. Indices are shit today. Break even. Nothing. Yes, has this low resistance. Let's see. या या वही तो कुछ मिल सकता है. I'll probably look in ES now or that in NQ because we are sorting. So we- before this ES short. अरे बहन मैं एंटर करना सोच रहा रहता हूँ. कांड मार देता है मेरा. देखो मैं लिमिट एंटर कर रहा हूँ. We'll be taking it here now. लो भाई. गैप नहीं बनेगा. लो रेजिस्टेंस लिक्विडिटी है नीचे. So that will be problem now. Okay. On limits here. Tapped in. I want to see flash lower from this area in ES. एंट्री नहीं हुआ. Let's see to this low resistance now in ES because ES is weaker. That's the reason I was just going with ES. Plus lower. Last leveling up of the leg. Even that's inversed. This low resistance down here. Everything is looking good so far. So once we clear this push, then we might look for, yeah, this will be our target. Not gonna be more greedy about it now. मार्केट कहाँ पे मिला आपको? Mm-hmm. The last low you can look is on 531 if you're in ES. Okay, I'm going break even because we cleared the recent low there. आप थोड़ा देख के रखना, आपको मार्केट मिला है तो थोड़ा लेट मिला होगा ना। अरे तू कब आ गया रे? तू आते ही तुरंत देख उधर से रिवर्स हो रहा है आउट ऑफ नोवेयर। देख, वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड बे। उधर से रिवर्स होने का ही नहीं था उसको। उधर से रिवर्स होने का ही नहीं था। इजुमी क्या है रे तू, इजुमी। शिट भाई, लिटरली शिट भाई। फक भाई, इजुमी। तेरा आवाज सुना ना, मार्केट ऐसे ही खत्म, उधर ही से रिवर्स खत्म। खत्म है इजुमी, खत्म है भाई। खत्म है भाई। व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू। लिटरल शिट, 3 मिनट देखना कितना बॉटम से। बहन चोद, बहन चोद। फक, फक भाई, वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड शिट। Take us what I break even. That's a very nice trade if you ask me. Very nice trade. It already like it reached 1 to 1. We had a clean low resistance. इक्वल लोज बना लिया राहुल भैया इसने तो। अब ये एसएमटी भी बन गया ना। एनक्यू में नहीं हुआ है। अरे हाँ, कल तो कुछ है भी नहीं, कल तो बैंक हॉलीडे है। शॉर्ट शेयर। इन्वर्जन है ना वहाँ पे 1 मिनट का, तो देख रहा था। अरे 3 तो नहीं, 2 ही करना पड़ेगा मेरे को। मार्केट करूँ क्या मार्केट? ना, पॉकेट ब्रो, यहीं पे लेना पड़ेगा मेरे को फिर तो। वहां पे उसकी माँ की चोट इस पे तो माचो दिया मेरा। यस, ये शुड पुश लोअर क्योंकि है यूएस में इक्वल लोज वहां पे, तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग यूएस टू पुश लोअर। अगर आप स्टिल, इफ यू आर स्टिल इन ट्रेड देन होल्ड इट। लोड़ा मेरे को निकाल के जा रहा है, आप बोल रहे हो आ ईएस में। नाश्ता के तो कर रहा है, करना पड़ेगा ना और थोड़ा अभी, ऐसा थोड़ी होगा। और this is a high resistance. If this breaks, and we are going to flush lower here. But I'm not gonna hold it till here, bro. Like just keeping it there. Just keeping it there. Shit, 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 shit. Always do forget to remove that. Nasdaq takes this low. I'm gonna go break even there. Okay, we took that low. S- To a break even. 15-minute high. That's a problem there, but I'm gonna be safe, guys. I just don't wanna just fuck around with it. ये तो ट्रिपल इक्वल हाई इक्वल लोज ना बने फिर अभी ईएस में। ओके, 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 ओके। आई नो दैट्स गोना हैपन बिकॉज 15 मिनट का अपर विक नहीं बना अभी तक, तो इट टुक मी आउट एट ब्रेक इवन। Created upper wick there, react from this inversion maybe, and then jump lower from my 15 minute. The market will never inverse this 1 minute fair value gap because that's a invalidation level. If it inverses, then this entire low resistance should be taken after that. Whatever, bro. Fuck it. I don't know. Like 15-minute high should be created inside of this inversion, and then it should give us a flip there. Yes, yes. Clear out this high. क्या था ES ब्रो? ES इतना नीचे आके फिर वहां से रिवर्सल दिखा रहा है बेंच, कुछ भी करे जा रहा है. Can we clear these highs in ES? We didn't clear. If we get an inversion of this, up to 50. 3 is a lot. Have to manage it somehow. अरे मैं शॉर्ट का हूँ मैं तो. यहाँ पे ये लो रेजिस्टेंस हाइस को टारगेट करना है. अरे इन्वर्जन नहीं दिया अभी तक बाकी चीज़ की. दिस इज वैलिडेशन इनवैलिडेशन पॉइंट. अगर यहाँ से इन्वर्जन दे दिया तो देन इट विल पुश टू दिस हाइस. अगर नहीं दिया तो देन व्हाट टू से, इट विल अगेन फ्लश लोअर. मेरे को तो दिखा नहीं था, था ही नहीं वो, तो मैं नहीं लिया. फिर अभी पुश दे रहा है तो मैं क्या करूँगा. वॉट एवर ब्रो. What the fuck bro. ये एक सेटअप था लेकिन आई डोंट टेक दिस काइंड ऑफ सेटअप्स. डोंट try to catch it ourselves. मेरे पास तो दो अकाउंट्स थे ना वो टाइम पे। I literally have 1 hour in every trade today's every trade. ये फिर रिप्लेस करेगा जितना yes. No. Body is getting respected. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still 12 people are watching. Bro, there's nothing in market, guys. Same minute open. Okay, guys. इतना ही है. I don't like this shit. I like, bro. This is this is you know nahi nahi bhai. This is clearly telling me not to participate. So fuck it. I tried literally four trades. Three of them were break even and one was loss. And taking one loss in such condition is okay. Okay for me. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'm still down 1 hour for the day, and that's fine. We'll make it back. And yeah, I think tomorrow again will be the low probable day because of bank holiday. We have bank holiday tomorrow. I think I might be even not planning for the day or not planning for live trades. If I come live, I might be not taking any trades, or I'll be trading paper trades. Anything can happen. But yeah, that's it for today. Take care. Bye. 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 Take care, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much.